Namaste friends. Hope you are alright by the grace of Almighty. Today we'll talk about the absent-mindedness, forgetfulness and poor memory and homeopathic medicine. So let us start. The first medicine comes Nux mosquita. I will tell you the red line symptom of Nux mosquita, each and every medicine. Extreme forgetfulness. Forget what she was about to say or he was about to say. Great sleepiness and dryness. Mind wanders easily. This is the main symptom of mosquita. Second medicine is Lilium tig. Lilium tig is a medicine for hurried, anxious, forgetfulness, cannot concentrate, feels she must keep busy all the time. Then our next medicine is Kali iode. Memory weak from mental exhaustion. Mental exhaustion is very much, too much. Restlessness and anxiety. Forgets recent events. Lysine, hydrophobinum, this is called. Nervous excitability. Forgets while speaking. Extreme sensitivity to noise and stimuli. This is the main symptom of lysine, hydrophobinum. Hyoscyamus. Hyoscyamus is the medicine for silly behavior with forgetfulness, suspiciousness and jealousy is always present in the patient. Talks irritability, no matter who is sitting in front. Anacardium orientale, key red line symptoms, memory very weak, forgets name, words and recent events. Feels as if there are two wills. Lack of confidence is there. Better after eating. Feels better after eating. Centuries. Centuries is the medicine for mental exhaustion, forgetfulness with menopausal complaints, especially for the women who crossed 40 years cannot find proper words to talk or to write. Ipsula Sripium. Ipsula Sripium cannot think clearly, forgets immediately what was learnt. Mental weakness after exhaustion, difficulty concentrating. Agnus castus. Agnus castus is a remedy for memory failure with loss of confidence, premature aging and feeling. Feels that he has become too old. Depression and forgetfulness. Then our next medicine is Bovista. Absent-minded, makes mistakes in speaking and writing too. Clumsy and forgetfulness. Then our next medicine is coming Lac caninum. It's a very great remedy. Forgets while reading or talking. Changes subject suddenly. From one topic to another he becomes. Low self-esteem, alternating symptoms from side to side. Most important red line symptoms are anacardium, forgets names, words and recent events. Nux mosquita, extreme absent-mindedness and forgetfulness. Ipsula sinipium, cannot retain what is learnt. Lac caninum, forgets while speaking or writing or reading. Agnus castus, memory weakness with loss of confidence. So friends, persistent or progressive memory loss, confusion, personality changes, stroke symptoms or difficulty performing daily activities requires medical evolution. as this may indicate conditions beyond simple forgetfulness. So immediately consult a homeopathic physician nearby. Why I am telling you? Because homeopathy works on the mind very well. It's the best science for mad peoples to whom family members used to give in Pagal Khana. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.